All right, this is room 629 at the Westin here in Maui. And here in this entryway, I have this long mirror. Here to my right, I have this vanity area with plenty of towels, some storage space with a blow dryer. And it does have this double-sided mirror, which is convenient. Here to my right, I have a closet with a robe and a safe deposit box with an iron. Plenty of storage space. Here I have the bathroom. There's another robe, so it does come with two robes, and this does have a sliding door with a lock. Here does a shower with great water pressure and these Westin products. This is a king bedroom, and I have these dual nightstands with plenty of spaces, outlets to connect your chargers or your phone. Here I have a mini fridge and some additional storage. Television, ice bucket, some glasses, coffee maker. Now this room does have a connecting door and an additional nightstand with several places to charge your electronics. There's an additional chair here. And let me show you this fabulous view. Now in this view, you do see Lanai over here. And then over here, you do see, you have a view of Molokai. So it's a beautiful view. And we're surrounded by balconies. So there's not a lot of privacy. So just something to keep in mind. This is an adult pool. This jacuzzi is in the adult section. I'm not sure if it's an adult jacuzzi, but I believe it's the only jacuzzi here. These are adult pools. That pool over there is for everybody. It does have a tunnel that goes through. And this is the children's area over here. You can't really see it, but there's two water slides, a larger one over here and a smaller one over there. So great property, beautiful views. I think you'll enjoy it. There is a $40 a night resort fee, and I can actually show you here what that includes. So here is the resort fee. It's $40, and that's everything it includes. And on top of that, there is a cost for parking, which is $35. So they do nail you on fees. It is pretty pricey here. Just some more views. Some more video of those views, amazing views from the bed. It's really great. All right, I hope you enjoyed watching. Take care.